Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen, where we chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, cause we about to get up in it. Alright, today we will be preparing an oldie but a goodie, baby. Hot water cornbread. Without the corn, Dr. Sebi style. And the ingredients are as follows. Okay, we have about 1.5 cups of Kamut, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon of basil, tablespoon of sea salt, and sparkling spring water. If you don't have sparkling spring water, regular spring water will do. First, we're going to start off by spraying the cast iron skillet with grapeseed oil. About a teaspoon. You want to just coat it real good. Alright. Okay, you'll know when they're done on one side when you start seeing all the little bubbles on the flapjack. So that's time for you to flip them over. So when you start seeing a multitude of bubbles, this means it's cooked pretty good on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to go ahead and flip this bad boy over. There we go. Get it going. Oh yeah. Look like flapjacks. Hot water cornbread. Let's get the other. Alright. Got it on in there, just like that. We're going to finish up a couple of these, and then we're going to give it the grand finale, baby. The taste test. See you in a second. Alright, family. We got the hot water cornbread, Dr. Sebi style, ready to go. All that's left for me and you to do, or me to do, is the taste test. This is my favorite part of the show. Just like butter, baby. Just like butter. Remember, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.